Okay, one of the things I absolutely dread about summer from the multiple sclerosis fatigue is maintaining the house. And mowing the lawn is no exception. But this year, I'm going to try things a little bit differently. Andrea proposed that we hire somebody, but I think we can outsmart multiple sclerosis and not spend the money on a yard service. I mean, what could go wrong? Maybe it's our own custom yard service. Can we make something? Follow along with me. Let's see what we can do here, because I have an old power wheelchair a friend gave me. It has power issues, electrical issues, and oh my gosh, so hot. I'm struggling, but I gotta get this walking. I have a Ryobi electric mower. I'm thinking the combination of the two, plus my nerdiness with remote control devices, can create something interesting. Follow along, let's get started. It smells like cigarette smoke so bad that even the tires are yellow from tar. Ew! So the first thing I'm going to do is take the cushions off and toss them, because I cannot work on this thing. It gives me a headache. The mobility chair had a weight rating of nearly 500 pounds and a peak of 24 volts. Now it was time to make use of my most advanced engineering tools. As the seasons passed and I saw the world change around me, I realized that my smoky friend and I cherished our last power reserves. Yes, our wiring was flawed, but we would find workarounds and succeed together. I dreamt that we would work as one. Because of him, I would be spared the summer heat. And because of me, he would be spared the sweaty 500-pound butt of yesteryear. All right, now it's time to snazz it up a little bit here. I'm at Walmart looking for fuzzy dice, but no luck so far. I'm sure I'll come up with something. Fred just ran over Andrea's favorite plants. All right, so there it is. I call it the Yaaard Service. And of course, it features Fred, our lovely skeleton that shows up in a lot of my experimental videos. And he actually does a pretty good job. I have to say, this turned out really nice. Now, I have some other ideas to make it work a little bit better, and maybe Fred won't be involved in those. Can you think of any that would make life with multiple sclerosis much easier if you had an automated platform? I can think of a lot, but I know you all have ideas out there, so comment down below, click that like if you like this video, share it if you want to, and also subscribe if you haven't. It's getting hot here in North Carolina, and we're indoors doing crazy, silly little ideas. Anyway, I'm Cliff. This is Life with MS. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this. I'll talk to you soon.